Sir, I want to share my screen.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good
How are
morning,
you all?
Good morning, teacher. We are fine, teacher.
Very good, very good. Okay, we'll start the lesson, huh? Okay. Hi students, good morning. Hope that all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to today's online history class.
Hello, teacher.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
टीचर 6th स्टैंडर्ड का नहीं है क्या?
Yes, it's for 6th standard only.
क्या?
It's for 6th standard only. 6th standard का ही है. Okay? Before starting the lesson, I'm going to ask few questions.
कोई बच्चा ही नहीं है.
How you come to know this? Okay? Okay, I'm going to ask you a few questions, beta. If you want to answer, please raise your hands. Okay, I'll give you chance. Are you all ready?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start now. What are the sources of history?
Three sources of history.
Yes.
Written
How many?
sources.
Okay, how many sources of history is? There are three sources of history.
Written
I want
sources.
the names.
Oral sources.
What are they?
Written sources. Atmosphere.
Yes?
Atmosphere.
No.
Oral
Wait. As sir instructed you before, just raise your hands. I will give you option.
What is it?
Raj Sharma.
Yes, teacher.
You reply, beta. What are the sources of history?
Hydrosphere, lithosphere.
You are talking about atmosphere, lithosphere. That is geography, beta. I'm asking on history.
Teacher.
Who wants to answer? Raise your hands.
Teacher, me. Teacher.
Yeah, beta. Yeah. Rabia Khan, na? Reply, beta.
Teacher, sources of history, written
Yes.
sources,
Yes.
oral sources,
Very good.
and
Okay,
material
Dev, you
sources.
say? Dev? Dev? Jahid, you want to say, beta?
Your sound is not clear.
Okay, Rabia has given the correct answer, but she had missed one word. Now we will see the exact answer for this question. The sources of history are oral, material, and written. Okay? Do you got it now?
Yes.
There are three sources of history that are oral, material, and written sources. Now I will ask the second question. Those who wants to answer, raise your hands. Give few examples of material sources of history.
Teacher, me.
Yes, beta, you can say.
Teacher, rock painting, pottery, and terracotta objects, beds, ornaments.
Very good, very good. You have covered most of the things. Okay. Material sources. Examples of material sources are pottery, ornaments, metal objects, coins and weapons. A few examples of material sources of history. Okay? Very good, beta. You are very smart. All are very smart. Very good. Okay. Today we are going to learn about a lesson based on material sources of history. That is Harappan civilization. Okay, myself, Idaya Venkatesan, your history teacher for online class. Shall we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, now, first of all, we will learn few new words so that it will be help us to understand the concepts of our lesson today. First new word for us is excavation. Can anyone guess the meaning of excavation? Want to try? Okay, as it is a new word, I'll tell you what is the meaning of excavation. The action of excavating or exploring or finding something, especially an archaeological site. Again, a new word, archaeological site is there. For the time being, assume it as a place. The work of finding something in a place is known as excavation. Exploring something is known as excavation. Okay, here is a pic for you to understand. See, here a man is exploring something, finding something under the ground. Is it visible to you all?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So this action is known as excavation. Okay, now the new word archaeological site. Now what is archaeology? The study of human history and prehistory through excavation. If we find something in some place, but with that material sources, we study the human history, how they lived, what the things they have used, how the dresses they wore. Like this, we can make out their history, their lifestyle, their trade, everything we can come to know by this excavation. That study is known as archaeology, and where that study take place, the place exactly where we excavate things is known as archaeological sites. Okay. Now here is a pic for you. This is an example of an excavation, that is archaeological site. This is a place where excavation took place and many things came to know, new things we explored here.
If it is a great bath or Mohenjo-daro.
No beta, it's just an example of archaeological site. Okay, it is a place where excavation took place. Okay,
Yes,
just for an example I have put this pic for you. Archaeological sites look what something like this. Okay, next word, new word for us is civilization. As we already read the lesson name, Harappan civilization. Now what is civilization? The process by which a society or a place reaches an advanced, excuse me, advanced stage of a social and cultural development, means where the people live. On the spot, they won't reach a highest culture. First of all, they will live like a rural development, and then slowly, gradually, the development grows into a city. Understood? So when the process of this formation of society reaches a highest level, advanced stage of social and cultural development, that process is known as civilization. Okay, so now we are going to learn about Harappan civilization. This is a pic from Harappan civilization, that how well settled they were at that time.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
next. Now we will exactly know the location where the Harappan civilization took place. Where is the place? Now, before reading this map, you have to know about the directions. Upside there is north direction, down it's south, right hand side is, what is in right hand side? East, and in left hand side is west. So, before that, see here. Do you able to see this Harappan civilization? There is a box. Sites of Harappan civilization is shown by circle. You can see many circles here. See here Harappa, Manda, Rupad, Kalibhangan. These dots are places where excavation took place, and here all the settlements of Harappan civilization was found. And here see the square, that is modern city. Who can locate the modern city square in the map? Raise your hands and answer me. Which is the modern city shown in square in the map? Observe the map and then you can answer to me. Observe the map. Okay, very good. Here is the Delhi. The modern city Delhi is shown in a square shape. Very good, beta. So, and present international boundary is shown through a pink dotted line. So, we can see that here is a pink line. that shows our India border, which separates from our neighboring countries. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. See, here it is Pakistan, and in the east side it's China, Nepal. Okay. So now we are familiar with the map. Now we are mainly going to read these names: Harappa, Kalibhangan, Dholavira, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, that is south to Harappa. These places now we are going to frequently read in our lesson. Now you all are familiar with these places? See, Harappa city is situated near the river Ravi or Ravi. Okay, pronunciation may vary. Understood? On this river basin, we can found the Harappan civilization. Okay, now what we are going to see in our Harappan civilization? What are we going to study today? What is Harappan civilization? The meaning of Harappan civilization, their housing and town planning. What type of houses they live in? What type of town they planned? Their seals and pots. Nowadays we use coins. You have seen coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins. Similarly,
No.
they used seals. And nowadays we use
Yes.
steel utensil. Utensils we all use now for cooking. For storage of waters and all. At that time, what type of pots they use, now we are going to see that too. And now the great bath. One of the students asked before, teacher, is this a pic of great bath? No. We will now let us see the pic of great bath and what is great bath. Lifestyle. What is the lifestyle of people? How they lived? What type of dresses they wore? What they ate? Everything we will learn now. And trade. Nowadays we do a trade. We bring products, we sell products. Yes or no?
Yes.
Trade means buying and selling of products.
Yes.
And reason for decline. Now, why Harappan civilization is not there? We all are living now, na? But why Harappan civilization is not? How they declined? That we will learn. The reason for the decline of Harappan civilization. Okay. What is Harappan civilization? The answer is archaeological excavation. Just now we read the meaning of archaeology excavation. So an excavation took place first began in 1921 CE. CE means common era, with the era which is going on, not before Christ. Okay. In 1921 CE at Harappa, the place where the excavation took place, its name is Harappa, that is located in Punjab. Okay. So on the banks of the river Ravi, as we seen in the map. Do you all remember the map? Just nod your head. I can see you. Don't reply. Nod your head. Do you all remember the map? Yes. Very good.
Yeah.
So archaeological excavation first began in the year 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the banks of the river Ravi. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. Because of the name of Harappa, the civilization named as Harappan civilization. It is also known as Indus civilization. The other name for Harappan civilization is Indus Valley civilization. See here, Indus civilization. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now wait. Excavations were also found at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 kilometers to the south of Harappa. We have seen in the map. To the south of Harappa, there was Mohenjo-daro. Which was, what, beta? You can mute the mic till my explanation finishes. Okay? If I ask you something, you can nod your head. By that, I can understand that you are getting my lines. Okay? Don't speak. Good. Very good. So, from Harappa, 650 kilometers south, we found Mohenjo-daro in the Indus Valley. There were a striking resemblance between the remains of structures and artifacts. The things we found in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, structures, artifacts found at the two places, similar remains have been found at the same things. The things we explored in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, the same things we found, similar things we found in Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibhangan, Daimabad, etc. Okay, generally the same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. Just a minute. Okay, these include town planning, roads, construction of houses, drainage system, seals, pots and toys and burial customs. Now each word planning we can understand the road, what type of road they constructed, the houses they lived in, the drainage system. Nowadays we use a pipeline for our drainage system. The outline of our bathroom, toilets and all, we keep in a pipeline system. What type of drainage system pipes they use, that also we will learn. The seals they use, the pots, toys and burial customs. Everything we will learn now. Now we will learn their house and town planning, the first point of Harappan civilization. Housing and town planning. The houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. Bricks we all know now? Or eat, we say it as. Yeah. In some places, unbaked bricks and stones were also used for construction. As now we build our houses using cement and all, at that time they used baked and unbaked bricks to build their houses. The houses had rooms built around a central courtyard. The houses have several rooms and in a central area there was a courtyard. The houses and wells, bathrooms and toilets. In their houses, they were having toilets too. Separate toilet also they were having in their houses, bathrooms, wells, so that
Excuse me,
shortage
teacher.
must not be there.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes,
Teacher,
beta.
can you tell all to turn off their mics?
Yes, sure. Students, please, all of you, turn off your mic so that others can listen me properly. Okay, beta. Shall we proceed ahead? There was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conducts were used. Now we use pipes, plastic pipes for our drainage system. At that time they used earthen baked. Means using that bricks or clay type material only they built their drainage system. The street had covered drains with the bricks. This show great concern regarding public health. Means how much they are health conscious. No, without the drainage system, our society faced many problems of health issues. But at that time only, they built drainage system very properly using the earthen baked earthen and bricks. The streets were broad and laid down in a grid pattern. Grid means, I will show you in a pic. Houses were built in a rectangular blocks created by them. Houses were in a rectangular blocks. The towns were divided into 2 or more sections and each section had a separate fortification. Fortification means a defensive wall or other reinforcement built to strengthen a place against attack. If some other foreigners come to attack our city, the safety walls were built, defensive walls were built to protect them. That is known as fortification. So we'll see a pic now. See, this was how the houses of Harappan people were. You can observe the picture very well.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Next.
Yes.
See how their roads are broad. This is a street of Kalibhangan. See their drainage system. This is an outlet of using the bricks they planned the drainage system. Okay, these are the wells that has been excavated in that site. Okay, now we will go to the seals and pots. Seals, as I told before, nowadays we are using coins and currencies. They use something like this in a square shape pattern. Okay, let's read. The seals of Harappan civilization were mainly square shape. You can see here. It's in a square shape. And what is in that? And made from a stone called steatite. It was made from a stone named steatite. These seals bear pictures of animals. Nowadays in our coins we can see us what we say that
Gandhiji's photo.
yeah, currency Gandhiji's photo, but in coins we see that three lion head now. What do we
Ashok's
say that?
thumb.
I'm not
Ashok's
remembering.
thumb. Ashok's thumb.
Very good.
Ashok.
Very good, beta. Very good. Okay, these seals bear pictures of animals, but their seals were having pictures of animals. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, etc. And also of imaginary ones like human figures are also seen. Sometimes human figures also there. Their seals are used as stamps. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavation. This type of pots were found in the excavation. Harappan civilization, there are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black color. In their terracotta pots, they used black color for the designs, and the patterns like fish scale, interlocking circle, people leaves, etc. are seen in that pot. The Harappan people buried their dead. After the dead, they bury the people with the pots. They used to bury earthen pots with the dead bodies. Okay. Now few more pics. See, these are the seals. Human is also there in the seal in their art, and animals are also there. See, animal is drawn on the pot. Animal pic is drawn. Terracotta means not something different, beta. Terracotta is a type of clay which is used to make pots. Okay?
Yes.
Next. Now, great bath. Great bath means a swimming pool, we can say nowadays. See, this is a pic of great bath from Mohenjo-daro. Now we will read the information about it. A spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The tank is great bath. The tank in the great bath was nearly 2.5 meters deep. See, the deepness of the tank was 2.5 meters. It was 12 meters long and 7 meters wide. It was linked with baked bricks to prevent seepage of water. Seepage means sometimes water escapes through small holes. So they prevented it with bricks so that water percolate in the proper place. It won't escape from the tank. There were steps leading down to the tank. As the tank was deep, they have built steps to enter into the tank. There was also a provision of draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from time to time. Means they properly vacate the polluted water and they again refill it with the clean water. Now, lifestyle of Harappan civilization. What type of life they live? The Harappan people practiced agriculture. They did agriculture. The excavation at Kalibangan provides evidence of a plowed field. They used to plow their field for the agriculture. Means it was a settled civilization. It was not a nomadic civilization. They were not roaming for their food. They were settled in a proper place and they were plowing the field again and again for the agriculture, and they are living a happy life. The people there grew different crops. Mainly the crops yes, the crops. Please mic mute kar do beta. Yes. Who is speaking? Mute your mic, beta. Okay, now we will read the names of the crop. Wheat, barley are the main crop. In Rajasthan, barley was grown on a large scale, but in Gujarat, it was peas, sesame and lentils were also cultivated in Harappan people. We are also familiar with cotton. Cotton also they were cultivating cotton also. It was ragi, peas, sesame and lentil were also cultivated. The Harappan people were also familiar with cotton. Now you can see the grains here. Wheat, which is look like this. barley, ragi, peas, sesame, lentils. You all have seen this, na? Just nod your head. Nod your head. Yes, very good. Now, the statues, the pictures. Wait. Just a minute. The statues, the pictures on the seals and the remains of the cloth found in the excavations indicate that the Harappan people used to weave cloth. Like Stone Age man, they are not wearing leaves. They used to weave the cloth of cotton, and they used to wear proper dresses for both men and women, consisted of knee-length cloth and an upper garment. This is a few examples. See, knee-length cloth and an upper garment. These are the examples of their cloth. Many types of ornament have been found in the excavations. They are made of copper, gold, precious stones, as also shells, cowries, seeds, etc. Men and women both used multi-strand necklace. See, these are the examples of their ornaments. Rings, armlets, waistband. This is a waistband. They used to wear on their waist. Necklace, waistband. Women wore bangles right up to their upper arm. Nowadays they wear very few. We wear very few bangles, ladies. But at that time they wear up to their upper arm. A statue found at Harappan site presents an excellent specimen of their art. It shows the man's facial features. See how clearly the facial features they had made in their artwork. Very clearly, a cloth with a beautiful trefoil pattern is draped across his shoulder. See, this is a pattern on their cloth. Trefoil means the pattern which is made using tree. 3 petals, 3 flowers, like that. So it is trefoil. Trade. Now what are the things they traded? And where they traded? The Harappan people carried on trade within India as well as with countries outside. Means they had conducted trade between India and outside India also. The Indus Valley was known for its high quality cotton. This cotton was exported. Exported means they given it to other countries, to other regions like West Asia, Southern Europe and Egypt. The traders of the Harappan civilization provided muslin cloth to Egypt. Muslin is also a type of cotton cloth, beta. Silver, zinc, gemstone, rubies, deodar wood were some of the items that were imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan and Balochistan. These are the items which they imported, means they bought it from other countries to themselves. Some of the excavated seals bear pictures of ships. It means they have conducted waterways also. They have used waterways also for their trade. A huge dockyard has been discovered at Lothal. The trade of the Harappan civilization carried on along the coastline of Arabian Sea. As it is situated near the Arabian Sea, they had conducted their abroad trade, means out of countries trade through Arabian Sea coastline. This cotton which is exported means they had given it to other countries like West Asia, Southern Europe and Egypt. These are the things which they imported. They bought from other countries to Harappan civilization. They are zinc, silver, gemstones, especially ruby, the center one. Deodar wood, deodar tree is like that and wood is like this. Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan and Balochistan. They have given these products, they have bought this product from these countries. This is the picture which we have seen prior also. It is just a art beta. From the excavation, they had imaginarily drawn this picture for our understanding. Okay. Okay, now why Harappan civilization is declined? What is the reason of declination? Frequent floods, invasions by foreign tribes, decline in trade were some of the reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization. Frequent floods, as the city is situated near the river, frequent floods were there. Floods you can understand ना, बाढ़ आ जाता है ना, तो पानी के अंदर सब चला गया था. Invasion by foreign tribes. Foreign tribes means other countries has invaded. We all learned history that one king fight with other king to occupy their kingdom. For the same, they had invaded. Many foreign invasions took place. Decline in trade. Their trade declined. Their selling and buying of products declined. Are some of the reason for decline of the Harappan civilization. These are the reason for the decline of Harappan civilization. Now, some regions become arid due to weakening of monsoon. After few days, maybe there will the region become arid, means there were no rainfall for a few years or something. So that's why the region become arid. Because of low rainfall, their agriculture declined. Drying up of river basin, shortage of water, earthquake, changes in sea level, etc. These are the other reasons for the decline of Harappan civilization. People migrated to other places, leading to the decline of cities, as there were floods, sometimes there was low rainfall, earthquake, changes in sea level. This thing, people faced unsecure life, in Harappan civilization, and they migrated to other places. So these are the reasons for the declination of Harappan civilization. Now, the Harappan civilization, wait. The Harappan civilization was a prosperous and flourishing urban civilization. Well settled, civilized urban civilization it was. It laid the foundation of the Indian civilization. Means by excavating this civilization only, India got a place that India is a well civilized country, very prior to everything. Okay, we were listed in a civilized country of the world. Now we will watch a video beta in YouTube. Just a minute.
Ma'am, we are watching short video now.
Yeah, we are going to watch a video. Just a minute, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Based on Harappan civilization only, in this video you will get more idea. Okay, this is the video, huh? Wait, it is online now. We'll skip the ad.
Teacher, I can't see the video.
Wait. Now you are able to see?
Yes, but not hearing.
Okay, now just
Yes,
keep
ma'am.
quiet and just listen and watch the video carefully.
Teacher, start video.
Okay, I'll play from starting, okay? Okay.
अपने कैंप पे I cannot see the video.
Teacher, we can see video, but the voice is not coming.
Beta, check your mic. Everyone is facing the same problem.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, ma'am.
You are not able to listen.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, I'll say for you. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Diamis,
Yes, sir.
make that setting there in more. Enable original sound. Click over there.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm making the settings. There is autoplay, annotation, playback speed, subtitles quality.
No, no. In Zoom app only, there is an option at right side in more. So we'll get
Okay,
that
sir. Okay, okay.
enable original sound.
Okay, sir. In Zoom. I'm not getting the option, sir. Exactly where is it?
Get it back from that YouTube.
There is in more, there is meeting setting.
At the right side, there is an option.
There is three dot only, na? There is.
No,
Yeah,
that is
three dots
Google
are there.
setting.
There are
Yes, I
three
got
dots.
now. Yes, more. Turn off original sound.
Yes, sir.
It's showing turn off original sound, sir.
Turn on or enable original sound.
Turn on, it's not showing. Turn off, it's showing. Turn off original sound.
Is it showing turn off or turn on?
Off. Okay, I'll try by off.
See, your volume is there. Your volume key is there. And yes, right. So there is that volume.
Now it's listening, sir.
No, still I am not able to hear.
Is it audible now?
Not yet. Not audible now.
No, teacher. No, teacher.
It's not audible?
No.
Okay.
No, teacher.
Okay, beta, just see the video.
Let
I'll
it be,
explain
let
it
it
by
be.
my voice only. Okay?
Right. Let it be.
Ah.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'll explain you by my voice only. Okay?
Yes.
Harappan culture. Just a view for you all. In 1922 AD, archaeology revealed the existence of a vast civilization in the region of Indus Valley, that is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. And it is 3000 BC, old civilization. It was something like this, the view for you. These are the statue. Many cities were found near Harappan civilization, near about 250 cities. Most important are Sindh, Lothal, Dholavira from Gujarat, and Kalibangan from Rajasthan.
Hello, yes, teacher. Hello. Hello. Hello.
जी बोलो
Just a view, beta.
जी
Ma'am,
बोलो
somebody are
These are the
talking.
pics of buildings.
Hello. Hello. Teacher, we cannot listen.
See, each and every houses were having wells.
Yes.
Now this is the drainage system they used. See,
Water pipe.
5 to 6 rooms were around the houses, and in between there was a courtyard. They were expert in town planning. The Great Bath is an example for that. This is of Great Bath. Using that well, the water is filled in this pool. There was a separate arrangement to send hot water into the pool. As we learned before, there were 2 or more sections. This is the section of laborers. They built a separate housing system for laborers. See, this is the settlement of public building, and the other is for government buildings.
The Harappa is
Again, drainage system. Nowhere else this drainage system was found in any other excavation. Okay, beta, this is how Okay. Now we have seen the video too. Now we will go to the next part. If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Raise your hand.
No, me, sir.
No, teacher.
No doubts. How come it's possible? You have to ask any questions. So we can go for a evaluation. Can I ask you for questions? Get ready to answer the questions. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Just raise your hands if you want to answer. You have not asked me any doubt. So compulsorily everyone has to raise your hands. Okay, you are having no doubts now?
No, teacher.
Okay. How did the civilization get the name of Harappa?
Miss,
How do we name it as Harappan civilization? What is the reason? Just raise your hands. Just raise your hands.
On the banks of the river Ravi.
Near river Ravi means we have to name it as Ravi civilization. Why Harappan civilization?
Mama.
Anyone else?
Ravi civilization.
Why it is named as Harappan civilization? What is the reason?
Teacher, Indus civilization.
Yeah, Indus Valley civilization is its other name. Other name is Indus Valley civilization. But why it is named as Harappan civilization? Where the excavation took place? What is the name of the city or state? Just remember, in 1921 CE, where was the excavation, archaeological excavation took place? Hello? You were having no doubts. Now, see, archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab.
I cannot listen your sound.
The area was named as Harappa. That's why it is known as Harappan civilization on the banks of the river Ravi. That is how the civilization came to known as Harappan civilization. Okay. It is found near bank of river Ravi, but the area name, the river name is Ravi and the area place name is Harappa. So it is named as Harappan civilization. Okay, next question. It is also known as Indus Valley civilization, as some other student has replied. Very good, beta. Which crops were cultivated in Harappan civilization? Name of the crops. Come on fast, raise your hands. What are the crops they cultivated? Name the crops.
Rice.
Say.
Wheat.
Yes?
Wheat.
Wheat and only wheat? Name the crops of others too. Other crops too.
Moong dal.
Moong dal, that is lentils.
Moong dal.
Good.
Also
Mutton.
Matar, that is peas. Very good.
And some vegetables.
Okay. Very good. Very
Listen,
good. Very
everybody.
good. Wheat, barley. Yes.
Jabra.
Students, if you want to answer, raise your hand. Only Arya is there, your hand is raised.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next time, everybody listen. Want to say something or answer the question, just raise hand. Continue, teacher.
Wheat, barley,
Okay, sir.
ragi, peas, sesame and lentils were the crops cultivated in Harappan civilization. Okay. Now I have a homework for you all.
Yes,
You all have to do that homework. I will ask you in the next lesson compulsorily. Okay? Okay.
Yes,
Note down
ma'am.
your homework. Read the lesson thoroughly from your textbook. You all are having textbook with you. Just nod your head.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to read the lesson thoroughly with understanding. List down the difference between ornaments. The ornaments we wear nowadays The ornaments we wear nowadays of Harappan people and the Harappan people's ornaments. You have to note down the difference between ornaments. Okay, you have a pic in your textbook on the ornaments. And nowadays, what type of ornaments we were wearing?
Yes, teacher, I have a book.
Okay, very good. So you have to note down the difference between the ornaments we wear nowadays and the people, Harappan people wore the ornaments. Now, draw a picture of the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. All are interested in drawing? You have to draw a picture of.
Yes.
You have to draw the Great Bath picture. And next time, everyone has to show it to me.
Yes.
Okay, now again, I want to ask you a few questions.
Teacher,
Yes?
what is mean of thoroughly?
Wait, what, beta? I didn't properly get you. What is the meaning of?
Thoroughfly.
I'm not getting the word clearly, beta. Sorry.
What is meant by thoroughly?
Thoroughly, okay. Means अच्छी तरह से सिर्फ ऊपर से रीड नहीं करना है, उसे समझ के अच्छी तरह से रीड करना है. ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर से नहीं, करेक्ट स्पेलिंग के साथ, करेक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ रीड करना है. Very good question, beta. Very good. Any other questions?
No, teacher.
Okay, all are very smart kids. Very good. You can ask me your other doubts too from the lesson. Any other doubts from lesson based on pictures, trade?
No, teacher.
No,
Teacher.
Okay, we can do a short recap again. Shall we go for a short recap of the lesson?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay.
So shall we finish?
Yes. Now
Yes,
the
teacher.
class is over. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
bye,
you
beta.
very much,
Take care.
everybody.
Bye.